How to change Google background. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can change Google background. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Now in order to change this default Google background, what you have to do is navigate to your top right corner and click on this three dot here. Click on settings. Once on your settings, again navigate to your left hand side and from this menu bar click on appearance. Here again click on theme. After that you will have this multiple colors to choose from. Now to change this default Google background to different color, you can choose any color from here. For example, I will go with this pink. And as you can see now, the background of this Google is already changed. If you go back and see, here the color of this Google is already changed to pink. If you want to change more theme, there you have to select change a theme, and here you can choose any theme according to your preferences in order to change this Google background. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.